Good day, students. This tutorial week we are going to take you through how to attend to quizzes. Now, to start our tutorial lesson, the first thing is for you to log in to our LMS with your username and the password. So once you have logged in successfully, in the course overview you will see your current courses. Now, because we're in tutorial week, every other courses that has been registered are hidden, so you are only seeing the general introductory tutorial. So in the course overview you see general introductory tutorial, then on your left side you see your dashboard, my site pages, my courses. Now, if you look at the course overview, it's giving me some information. One, there are new forum posts. It implies that I have not completed my forum posts assignment. Then you have quizzes that are due. So for me, I can go through this quiz in two ways. One, I can click directly here to see the quiz that I have, and once I click here, it's expand to show me that quiz tutorial week 2. This quiz will close on Sunday by 3 p.m. No attempts have been made on this quiz. It means that I have not attempted it. Now, if I should click on this tutorial week 2 quiz, it will take me directly to the quiz. Now let me go back to dashboard. So I'm back at the dashboard. So the other method, in case I didn't get to this place or I didn't see this page, if I log in, then I can go to my courses. Now I have just one course there, GIT. Now remember, in the last video lesson I said anytime you see an arrow before your link, it implies that there are some hidden activities. So click on this arrow to show other activities or events. So I have my GIT tutorial week 2, then tutorial quiz. So if I should click on tutorial week 2 quiz, it will take me to that same page. Now read very carefully. Attempt allowed 1. So it means you can only attempt this quiz once. Now, when is the time that the quiz is supposed to open? This quiz opens Friday, 7 June 2019 by 3 p.m. and it will close by 3 p.m. on Sunday. So the lecturer here has given us 48 hours to attempt this quiz instead of the usual 24 hours practice. Now the next thing is to observe the time limits. Now you have 5 minutes to attempt this quiz, just 5 minutes. So you monitor yourself and work towards finishing the quiz before the time expires. Now, to start the quiz proper, you have to click on attempt quiz now. So let's go ahead and try it. Now, once you click on the attempt quiz now, another dialog box called timed quiz will be displayed. Now there is another information there. It says this quiz has a time of 5 minutes. Time will count down from the moment you start your attempt, and you must submit before it expired. are you sure that you wish to start now? So at this point, you have the option of backing out or continue. If you don't want to start now, just click cancel and it takes you back. So if you click on attempt quiz again, if you are sure you are ready for the quiz, just click start attempt and it will take you straight to the quiz. Now we are faced with the quiz now, and question 1 is displayed. Now if you look to the left side of the screen, you have your quiz navigation window. Now in the quiz navigation window, you have your question, you have boxes with number 1, 2 up to 10. So I have 10 questions in this quiz altogether, numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you have more than 10 questions in this quiz, then this navigation box will expand beyond what you are seeing now. Now if you look again, you will see that my time left is displayed. You can see time left. So already, even without attempting any question now, I've spent 1 minute 20 seconds doing nothing. So computer does not take into cognizance that you have not even start a question. Once you click start now, it starts counting down and your time will run down till it gets to 00, and at that point in time, if you are yet to finish, it submits for you. Now let's go into the quiz proper. So you read your question carefully. Pressing the letter K on the keyboard while playing your weekly video will do what? So let me pick one answer, then next. Now when you want to move to the next question, you click on the next page, pick your answer, next. Now if you observe the quiz navigation window again, you see that question 1 and 2 have been shaded. It means I have attempted or supply answer to do so. Let me skip this and see what happened. Now I've skipped question 3 going to 4. Now question 3 remains the way it was because I have not attempted it. Now let me be fast so that I won't get caught up. Now if you want to go back to the previous question, there are 2 ways to go about it. The first way is to click on previous page. Now look at this, we are on question 6. If I click on previous page, it takes me back to question 5. If I click on previous page, it takes me back to question 4. Now from question 6, now I've moved to question 4, but I can actually move to a particular question without clicking on previous. For example, I want to go to question 3. I just click on question 3 directly. It takes me to question 3. So I can choose my answer. Then I can actually go to any question at random. I can jump to question 10 by simply clicking on question 10. Now monitor my time. My time is almost done. I have 38 seconds more. So you can actually jump from questions to questions. Now if you are through, with what you are doing. Okay, let me just leave it like this. So you can submit by clicking on finish attempt here. You can see that I have 8 seconds left, so I'll click on finish attempt. So it will give me the summary of what I've been able to do. I'm here to answer question 9 and 8, but unfortunately my time is up, so I don't have any choice other than to just submit and finish. So once you click on submit all and finish, you have your score displayed 6/10. So let me go back now. Look, let's examine the information here. You have summary of your previous attempts, finished, submitted Friday 7 by 4:23 p.m. and I have a grade of 6, and it's telling me your final grade for this quiz is 6/10. No more attempts allowed. So if I should go back now, I will not be allowed to participate in the quiz again. So let's see if peradventure I can attempt the quiz again. So let me scroll down. Week 2, lesson 2. Click. You can see it keeps taking me back to this page because I have exhausted the number of attempts allowed. If the quiz setting is such that you can attempt more than once, it will allow you to do it again. If it is unlimited attempts, it can allow you to repeat the quiz as often as possible. So each time you click back to the tutorial week 2 quiz, it just keep on telling you you can go. So what about tutorial week 1 quiz that I have not done? Now I can access it from here, but let me see if I can do the quiz. Now I click on the tutorial week 1 quiz. The information I get here is attempt allowed this one. This quiz closed on Saturday, June 1, 2019 by 6:52 a.m. Time limit 5 minutes. Back to course. Can you see the difference? If I go to week 2, the information I will get differs from this one. Week 2 will give me the summary of my attempts, while week 1 will not give me anything. Why do I have different messages for the quizzes? The simple answer is that I did not participate in week 1 quiz. The time lapse for the quiz lapsed June 1 and I did not take part in it. That's why I'm getting this information. So anytime you refuse to attempt your quiz during the window period and the quiz period closes, you will not be able to have access to that quiz again and you'll be scored 0. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things in this video, and I hope you will avoid all the pitfalls that you may encounter during the course of your quizzes. Thank you. See you next time.